video, I'm going to show you how to do the no guidance TikTok trend, which is pretty new and also very popular. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now, let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And again, there are a lot of versions of this dance, but I'm going to show you how to do the most popular version. And now, let's get started. So at the beginning, we're going to wait for about 3 seconds, and then we're going to go 1. So our hands are going to be open, and then we're going to close, then open again. We're going to do like a circle, and then close. Fast, it's going to look like this. 1 and 2. Once again, 1 and 2. And I don't know if you have noticed, but I also switch my hands. If my right hand is up here, then after it's going to be down and left and up. So once again, 1 and 2. And to the other side, 1, 2. But we're going to do it just to one side. So it's going to be 1, 2. And then we're going to slide. So we're going to step on our left leg. And we're going to slide with our right arm. Same to the other side. But instead of doing a full step, we're going to go halfway. So it's going to look like this. Step, halfway. And then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, cross. Okay, let's do it from the beginning and we'll move on. Let's go. 1 and 2, slide halfway. 1 and 2, cross. Okay, so now we're going to do this. So first our right leg is bent, our left one is straight, and then to the other side. 1, 2. And then our hands are together in a circle. And when our right leg bends to the left, then our hands are going to the right and then to the opposite side. Let's do it from the beginning and we'll move on. 1 and 2, slide halfway. 1 and 2, cross. 1, 2. And then after we do this, we're going to cross again. But instead of like crossing with our whole hand, we're just going to show like an L with our hands like this. Then our right hand does a circle above our head, and we're going to throw it back. But instead of like going forward a lot, we're just going to it's going to be a line throw it back. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's going to look like this. Cross, 1, 2, and then after this, we're going to go 1, 2, 3 again, and we're going to go 1, 2, so slide, slide. It's like a slight wave too. Wave, wave. And our hands are going to show an L. L, L. Okay, let's do it from the beginning, slow so that we remember everything, and we don't have much left. So, let's go. 1 and 2, slide halfway. 1 and 2, cross. 1, 2. Now we're going to go cross, circle, third back, and then 1, 2, 3, wave, wave. Okay, so after we do the second wave, we're gonna go 1 and 2 again, but instead of doing a circle, we're just gonna go 1, 2, so without the circle. And then we're gonna go 1 and then 2, like that. So it's gonna look like this. 1 and then 2. Okay, now we already have the whole dance, so we're gonna do it twice. Once from the beginning, slow, and then once from the beginning, fast, and that's it. So first we're going to do it slow so that we remember everything. Let's go. 1 and 2, slide halfway. 1 and 2, cross. 1, 2, cross over our head. Third back. 1, 2, 3, wave, wave. 1 and 2, slide, and then slide again. And now the same thing, but faster. Let's go. 1 and 2, slide halfway. 1 and 2, cross. 1, 2, cross over head. Third back. 1 and 2, wave, wave. 1 and 2, slide, slide. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, comment what dances you want me to do next, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!